Yes, today I am explaining the term quality by design QbD in pharmaceutical product development. So you should follow the term today, the important term, the quality by design in pharmaceutical product development. Its importance and applications in pharmaceutical research and development. Now, some issues are there in quality by design QbD. First thing is, what is the part of the quality by design? What is it? Definition of quality by design and its enhanced approach QBD in pharmaceutical research and pharmaceutical product development. What is the approach of QBD? And also it involves risk assessment. Now, what was the development process before ICH Q8 additional approach? So you all know that ICH Q8 guidelines are there for the product development, that is ICH Q8. Now you have to assess the importance of the quality by design QVD over the ICH Q8 guidelines, what is the traditional approach. And now the question is, the QbD is mandatory in research and pharmaceutical product development. Now you all know some ICH guidelines topics are there. Four titles are there, that is Q, S, E, M. Q is for quality guidelines, S for safety guidelines, E for efficacy guidelines, M for multidisciplinary guidelines. These all titles are available on the website ICH. Now you should follow the importance of the quality by design for the explanation of the quality of the product. Now, common structure of CTD is important for the applications of the quality pharmaceutical product. The structure of ICH Q8, we should follow the quality target product profile QTPP. QTPP stands for quality target product profile. Next, critical quality attributes CQA. CQA stands for critical quality attributes. Next, risk assessment, design space DS, and the control strategy for the quality products by using QBD and product life cycle management. Now, during the submission of the pharmaceutical development in CTD, the quality risk management and product and the process development. Next, design space DS, and next, control strategy. Now, first, the history of QBD was defined by the Dr. Joseph M. Zuran. Now see the definition of the quality by design QBD. This is a systematic approach to development that begins with predefined objectives and emphasize product and process understanding, process control based on sound science and quality risk management. Now, QBD is defined as the process control strategy, and quality risk management over the ICH Q8 guidelines. Now see the difference between the traditional approach and QBD, ICH Q8 and QBD. The traditional, the empirical development, data-driven retrospective process. QBD is a systematic development, knowledge-driven prospective science and risk-based assurance of quality acceptance, that is design space. Now see, follow the term process analytical technology PAT. Process analytical technology is system of designing, analyzing and controlling manufacturing through timely measurements during processing of critical quality and performance attributes of raw and in-process materials and process with the goal of ensuring the final product quality. Now see, the objective of QbD is to get the final product quality, good quality product, and PAT is the process analytical technology. Next term is real-time release testing. Real-time release testing is important term during the QbD. What is real-time release testing? The ability to evaluate and ensure the quality of in-process and the final product based on process data, which typically include a valid combination of measured material attributes and the process control. Now the next term is critical quality attributes CQA. This is a physical, chemical, biological or microbiological property or characteristic that should be within an appropriate limit, range or distribution to ensure the desired product quality. Now critical quality attributes is important for to ensure the product quality. Critical process parameter CPP. This is the process parameter. Critical process parameter is a process parameter whose variability has an impact on a critical quality attributes and therefore should be monitored or controlled to ensure the process produces the desired quality. Now CMA, CPP, CQA and unit operations. This term is important to define the unit operations during the manufacturing process. See the example of QbD approach. First is product profile, quality target product profile, QTPP. Next, CQA, determine the potential critical quality attributes CQA. Next step is risk assessment. Link raw material attributes and process parameters to CQA and perform the risk assessment. Next is design space. Develop a design space control and control strategy. Next is control strategy. And next is continual improvement. Is quality by testing versus quality by design. To identify first the QTPP, quality total product profile, identify CQA, critical quality attributes, CMA, critical material attributes, and the CPP, critical product profile. Set up the DOE, design of experiment, to establish the relationship between the CQA, CMA, and CPP. Define design space and the product profile. Next is identify and control the sources of attributes and the variabilities. Then continually monitor the manufacturing process. This is the QbD process steps. First, to identify the QTPP, then product